Today we're doing a what's inside video. With acorns. Oh, a second. It's gonna be a little bit dark for a second. You can't see that. Not allowed to see that. With these acorns, a what's inside video. So, oh god. You turn my brightness up. Oh, it's up. Oh, that's weird. Okay. So. This is a tree that we're picking from. And, almost got that one. And we've been picking them for 5 minutes at least. So, what we're going to do basically is just do a what's inside video and mess around with acorns. So, okay, I got one. This one's really small though. A really small one. Oh crap, it fell. Okay. I'm only looking for big ones like this one. Oh no, this one's black. Can't have this one because it's see how it's black? Can't have it because it won't work for the video. So threw it out into the streets. Like that one right there. Here. Like these kinds. These green ones. Then what we're going to do is just pop these off. I can't pop it off. There we go. Popped it off. So, you know, then we're going to see what's inside these acorns. Well, we already know what's inside because we started filming the video. Or we didn't film. We were messing around with it. And we already know what's inside. Put that one right there. Oh, put the cap right there. So, basically, we got a lot to do. My mom. Okay, so I don't think you guys can see them, but all over there, all the green things are all over. So what we're going to try and do is get most of them and open them, just to show you guys what's inside of them, what's inside the average acorn. Then at the end, we're going to do a bonus one with a black one. Then we'll see what's inside that one. I don't know which one's going to be our bonus one. I think it's going to be this one right here. Oh, there's a hair on it. How's there a hair on it? Right here. No, because I can't even get the top up. Okay, so I think this is going to be the bonus one. No more dilly-dally, though. This one, bonus one, right here. What fell? Something fell. Oh. Should this be bonus one? So, make sure you watch the video to see what's inside a black one. It's probably going to be all moldy. Okay, so got another green one. That's a good one. Oh, there's cotton on it. Damn. There's cotton on them. Right here. It's a nice, good one. Okay. Oh. There's the shadow right there. It's gonna be the one right here. I'm gonna put. Okay. That one right there. I don't think you guys can see it. It's probably too dark. Over here. There's a lot of green ones up there. I'm looking for a black one currently. Tell me if I missed one in the comments. I'm gonna go grab that one. No, this one won't do. This one right here. This one. Bonus. Okay, I think we're gonna start the what's inside video now. Okay, so basically this is the bonus one. So, oh, it's getting dark. Let me see what time it is. It's 1:53. So, we got 2 hours, 3, 4, 6 hours to do this. Okay, we'll start with this one here. This one right here. Okay, it's starting to get light up. A little bit too bright, so I'm gonna go over here. Let's just see what's inside. Okay. It's all mushy so far. It's this kind of mush. Okay. Okay. Okay, so. Okay. 1 second. This is what's inside an acorn. This right here. It looks disgusting. Ugh. It feels disgusting. Ugh. Okay, so now I think it's time for our black one. It's pretty small, but we'll work with it. Okay. It's hard. The thing, it's not cooperating here. Okay. There we go. Oh, wow. Oh, that's disgusting. I don't even want to touch that. That's what's inside the black one. It's disgusting. It's fucking gnarly. By the way, I'm recording on my phone, so the sound quality won't be that good. Ugh. Disgusting though. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. So, thank you guys for watching, and bye. Yeah.